A comprehensive study on nutritive value, polyphenol constituents and prevention of pathogenic microorganisms by different resin extracts of Commiphora myrrh. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Commiphora myrrh are small tree family Burseraceae. The resin extract of Commiphora myrrh is widely used in folk medicine. The study of myrrh resin extract includes moisture, minerals such as Ca, Fe, Mg, Na, Cu and Zn, protein, total fat and crude fiber. This study used a muffle furnace, Kjeldahl method soak slit and atomic absorption. HPLC is used to evaluate polyphenol constituents of myrrh in different resin extracts, ethanol, ethyl acetate, petroleum ether and chloroform, as conc. New GG, and in all extracts, ethanol, ethyl acetate and petroleum ether and chloroform, it contained chlorogenic acid, gallic acid catechin, coffeic acid, caffeine, syringic acid, coumaric acid, ferulic acid, naringenin, 4,7-dehydroxyisoflavone, cinnamic, propyl gallate vanillin, quercetin and acid ellagic acid in different concentration percentage. And area the effect of Commiphora myrrh, ethanol, ethyl acetate, petroleum ether and chloroform, resin extract against 4 different pathogenic bacteria Salmonella typhimurium, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Escherichia coli, and Bacillus cereus, were examined by Mueller-Hinto agar and measuring inhibition zone, diameter mm, show that there was significantly different among bacteria and different method of extract. All different Commiphora myrrh seed extracts, aqueous, ethyl acetate and petroleum ether, have high activity against Candida albicans fungus. The study was conducted to identify the Commiphora myrrh nutritive value, polyphenol compound and the activity against bacteria and fungi. In conclusion, Commiphora myrrh contains polyphenol compounds that have potent antioxidant, antibacterial and antifungal activity in all different leaf extracts. Introduction. Myrrh is a valuable and widely used medicinal plant that has been recognized for centuries, particularly by ancient Egyptians. It is derived from the bark of the Commiphora myrrh tree, which is native to regions such as northeastern Africa, India, and parts of the Middle East. Myrrh is a fragrant, yellow resin with a variety of medicinal uses and is known for its healing properties. It has been traditionally used in folk medicine and is considered safe with no significant toxicity. Myrrh is effective for treating inflammation in the mouth and throat, acting as a strong antiseptic and astringent. It is also beneficial for digestive issues and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Additionally, myrrh helps in detoxifying the body, reducing inflammation, and can even be used to treat chronic sinusitis. It is commonly used in skincare to treat conditions like acne, rashes, and wounds, and it also aids in healing gastric ulcers. Beyond medicinal uses, myrrh plays an important role in cosmetics and perfumes. Its versatility in treating a wide range of health issues, combined with its cultural and economic value, makes it a precious natural resource. Conclusion. The Commiphora myrrh contains polyphenol compounds that have potent antioxidant, antibacterial and antifungal activity in all different leaf extracts.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.